Hello guys. Welcome to Wow Hotel Reviews. Today I am reviewing Red Roof Inn and Suites Hinesville, Fort Stewart. It's a 2-star hotel. Please use our booking.com link in description to book the hotel and get good pricing. The Red Roof Inn and Suites Hinesville, Fort Stewart Hotel is located off Highway 84, only 1 mile from Fort Stewart. This hotel is 7 minutes away from Liberty Regional Medical Center. Coin-operated laundry facilities are provided for guest convenience at this pet-friendly accommodations. The lobby serves complimentary coffeehouse-style coffee and tea. All rooms are non-smoking and feature refrigerators, microwaves, work desks, and hair dryers. Select rooms offer hot tubs and coffee-making facilities. The Savannah, Hilton Head International Airport is about 45 miles from the hotel. Savannah Technical College is 13 minutes drive from the Red Roof Inn and Suites Hinesville, Fort Stewart. Use our link in description to get special discount on this hotel. Don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel.